Hi guys, how we doing? Welcome back to another video. So I'm teaching myself microcontroller programming using this bit of kit called EBlocks, and I'm going through this curriculum that they've got. I don't even know how many pages, 101 pages, and I'm on page 80, it looks like. So the last video, what did we do? We did this scrolling LED or LCD. So let's reset it, I guess. Give it a quick reset. Okay, so it says there are only 10 kinds of people: those who understand binary and those who don't. And obviously it's not that there are only 10 kinds of people, it's that there are only 1 0 type of people, i.e. 2. Anyways, so next video now, I believe we are using this funky thing, which I tried to use once before and I didn't realize was a keypad. I thought it was just a bunch of push buttons, but it's actually a keypad. So I believe we're going to be using this keypad in this lesson. So am I? Yeah, I think so. Let's check it out. So no idea what lesson number this is. I'll check and then I'll say it in the next video. But yeah, let's just say this is like lesson 30 or something. I don't know. Who knows? All right, so using the keypad. Introduction. A numeric keypad is used in many electronics and in some, e.g. mobile phone. Oh, and in some it is used as a numeric keypad. That the e.g. mobile phone should be there. It is used as a numeric keypad, i.e. a mobile phone. Okay. Or for example. And also as a way to type text instead of numbers. There are 12 buttons on the keypad, yet the keypad is connected to the microcontroller but only 8 lines. This is a problem, or this problem is solved by using multiplexing. Oh, nice. We get to do some multiplexing. Nice. Okay, so objectives. Input text and numbers from a keypad and display messages on the LCD. Use ASCII code. Nice. Use multiplex inputs. Configure a component macro for the keypad. Ooh, this is fun. Now, again, they're not going to actually teach me how to do this. They're just going to tell me to do it. And I'm going to somehow try and figure it out, which is just not great. But again, I'm going to fix this whole curriculum. But probably by the time you guys are watching this, I would have already started cracking through this curriculum and just redoing the whole thing. So anyways, task number 1 is to display the numbers that are pressed on the keypad on the LCD. Display one number one at a time. What? Display one number one at a time. Use a comma, I guess. Display one number one at a time for as long as the button on the keypad is pressed. Can you rewrite this program? Bloody hell, rewrite it. I ain't even done it yet. Can you write this program without using the keypad component macro? Okay. Extend this program to display numbers that are pressed on the keypad one after another. Bloody hell, how many things does it want me to do? Look at this. It wants me to do all of that in this one task. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do just the first one in this video to try and keep this video short, because this is going to take me a bloody... Oof. I expect this is going to be an hour job for me. All right, let's just start with number 1. Display one number one at a time for as long as the button's pressed. So essentially what we're going to do is I'm going to press a number and then display write it out to the screen. So we can get rid of these LEDs. Plug our keypad. Actually, no, I'll put my keypad in here. Can I even do that? I don't even know. I actually don't know if I can do that. If I can plug it into port D. I should be able to. Sometimes these ports are limited. So we shall see. Alright, so back to our code. This is all my LCD code. So I want to... I don't need a calculation. Oh, it looks like this is Flowcode lesson 27. Looks like. Alright, let's delete all of this. No, okay. We'll start the LCD. We'll clear it. We'll set our cursor to 0, 0. And then instead of printing a string, we're going to print a number. And we can delete the rest of that, I think. Cool. So let's change the print string to print number. And we're going to print some variable. Let's call it keypad. I don't know. That's probably not a good name for it. Keypad number. Not let me do it because I haven't created the variable. Sometimes it says, hey, would you like to create a variable? Delete that. Oh, can't delete that. Delete that. Can't delete that. Why can't I delete that? Is it? It's saying delete. Cannot delete this because it's using a macro. Ah. Just okay. Print 1. No. Print that blank. Okay, there we go. And delete it now. And delete this now. Yep. Okay, cool. So add a new variable. Keypad number. We're going to give it an integer, and we'll define it as 0 first of all. And then we're going to print number. We're going to print that keypad number. There we go. Okay, we're gaming. So that now should print my variable to the screen, which my variable should be 0. So I now need to read my input. So if I read the input, and we're going to do it on port D, and we're going to read that into my keypad variable. Now, will this work? I don't know. It did say something about using the keypad macro, so I don't think this is actually going to work. I don't know how keypads work. So I've got macros here. This is LCD generic, and I can't select anything else. Oh, because I haven't dragged it on. So if I go 2D, there's just not even like the basics of how Flowcode work in terms of like I have to drag a component on first. I have to go find the component, I guess. So oh, I've just seen it, keypad there. All right, so I've got my keypad on. Then now can I select a keypad macro? I can get the number of the keypad. Nice. So that's instead of using the input, I guess. Return the value, and it needs to be a byte. So this might not work. Let's change that to a byte. And close the 2D panel. So I'm getting the number. So this is just a function that already exists in Flowcode to use this keypad. So it's not great, and it does say in the next lesson to how can you do this without the macro. So I will do that. I'll try to do that. All right, so get the keypad. Oh yeah, that was it. This needs to be a byte. So it returns a byte. So this value needs to be a byte. Okay, so I think that will work. I think, can I see any reason why it wouldn't work? Who knows? All right, do you think this is gonna work? So currently resetting. So it should just display 0 on the screen, and then when I press this key here, which is 1, it should display 1. Yeah, man, thinking about it. All right, ready? So nothing on the screen, so that's a bad start. Is it just taking its time? Yeah, nothing on the screen yet. I'm just gonna recycle power because I know that makes a difference sometimes. Again, nothing on the screen. The LCD is turned on. All right, so I'm pressing buttons and it's not doing anything. Yeah, I mean, without any instructions, I just don't know. I guess my answer is without instructions, I don't know. And can I press F1 on this? Will this work? This takes me to Flowcode's main page. Can I right click this and go to help? I can't. Can I view the 2D panel and go to help that way? Let's go to properties. Oh, port. Okay, set to port A. You set to port D. Try that again. In my mind, this panel here, this 2D panel, is for simulation, but it's not. It's for setting up Flowcode as well. So Flowcode relies on this 2D panel. Something I forget really. Alright, so what have we done? We've just set that keypad to be on port D. So hopefully it now sees. I'm surprised it didn't at least display 0 though. But I think I've got a bigger issue. Alright, so that's finished downloading. It's still not displaying anything. I'm pressing buttons now and I'm not getting anything. Okay, so LCD is blank. So what can we do? We've got start. Okay. Yeah, we clear it. Then we get the keypad number, set the cursor to 0. Set the cursor to 0 and then print the number, keypad number. Oh, no, yeah, keypad number is equal to, wait, what? Return value, keypad number. I don't understand that. Alright, so what I wanted to do originally was come to this keypad and then right click, help. Now we've got the help file of the wiki open. Opens in this weird little browser. The preset keypad based around 3x4 unit, okay. So there's a component source project for it. But you're not going to tell me how it works? Get number gets the numeric value for the current key press. If no key press, then the macro returns a value 255. Okay. So this doesn't really tell me much. It just has an example. So I guess I just download the example. Keypad door entry gone. Alright. Let's see the difference between my code and this code. The project was built using a newer version of Flowcode. Oh wow. Okay, so I've got somewhat long, complicated code here. So what do we have? Call component macro, key press is equal to keypad. Get ASCII. Why? If it's less than 255, num bytes is equal to get number bytes. I don't know what this is doing. If I go to build project options, which microcontroller is it downloading to? An 8-bit pick. So I go to a 16-bit miscellaneous pick, and I think I'm on the BL11. Am I on an 8-bit pick? Yeah. So I just changed this project, and let's just see if this works. Compile to target. Yeah. So now all I'm doing here is I'm just trying to install this example project to this to see if this works, but at least having an example project is helpful, but really it just needs better instructions. So that file's been sent. I still can't see anything on the LCD. If I press it, nothing. It's almost like port D is pointless. Maybe. But I don't know really, because it kind of suggests that the screen, nothing right into the screen, that makes no sense. Damn. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. This project as well. Sorry. It's probably not set up. Yeah, it's on port C. So let me just plug in this into port C then. See if anything happens. Alright, so I've moved that to port C. I'm pressing it again, nothing. I don't know. This is the unfortunate, and it's more than unfortunate. This is the crappy thing about this project, or this this bit of kit. The kit is good. It's the documentation sucks, and I just don't know what to do at this point. I mean, is there any point in me continuing this? I think this is another fail, and I think it's a good thing. I think it's a good thing for me to fail a lot of these videos, because I just don't understand what's meant to be happening here. So if I go back to my code, I start this screen, I clear it, I set my cursor to 0, I get the keypad value, and I'm just printing that. I don't see how it could be any more Unless I just need a delay in? You know, I can't remember. Yeah. Let's just go. We'll just go with a 10 millisecond delay. That's low. That's like an eternity from a microcontroller. Let's just see if that works. And I guess I need to move this back to port D. But yeah, this will be a fail for me, and I'm quite happy to actually start failing. I've only failed one where I just completely gave up. But yeah, I mean, some of them I've just done them in such a bad way. So again, I expect nothing on the screen, which is again nothing. Yeah, I don't know why. I don't know why it's not writing anything to the screen. Let me open. Let's open my last project. Oh, not that one. Open 26. Nope. So this is my last project where we wrote to the screen. Am I doing anything different here? Let's start the screen, clear it, set my cursor, print string. So let's just copy and paste this function and just see if it works. And then I promise you, this is my last bit of troubleshooting. So if this prints to the screen, it means the oh, what's happened here? Unknown or missing variable. Oh, you bugger. All right, print hello. Hello. All right. We'll see if this one works, but oh, I'm bored. Something. Not happy. Not happy about something. And then so other than that, setting the cursor, and I had a long 2-second delay on that last project. All right. Yeah, man. Just show me hello on the screen. Say hello. Oh, okay. I can see. You guys can't see it. Just there, can you see it says 255 hello? So it is displaying it on the screen. Bloody hell. Almost gave up, man. You can't bloody see it. So let's delete that. I can see the 255 now. So it's just probably just a delay. So annoying, man. Let's do 1 second. Yeah, it literally says 255 hello. It's gone now. But you just screen so that crap, you can't even see it. So I'm looking at this with my eyes, and then I'm also looking at it through my recording software. I can see it on my computer, and I can see it in front of me, and I still couldn't see that. That said 255. So I guess these are all pulled high, and so therefore it reads the maximum 255, which is 8-bit, and then by pressing the button, it pulls some of them low, and then hence gets a different value. So again, from there you guys can't see, but you got 255 there. I'm going to press 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4, nothing, 5. So pressing the buttons is having no impact on that 255. But at least it's brighter now because I've got a 1 second delay. So what do we do from here? We're successfully writing to the screen, but we can't get anything on it because I'm guessing it's port D. That might be the problem here now. So I'm gonna compile, change it to port C, and go again. Ah dear. The thing is, there's a lot that I don't like. Like some of these pins you can't use, and so I'm designing a new board now, and there would be like only 3 pins available because I'd be using some of them. And so I'm inclined, and I think I might just remove that port entirely. There's no point giving someone a port with just 3 pins because they're going to try to use it as 8 and then complain when it don't work. So that now says 255. Press this button. So yeah, being on port C doesn't do anything. All right, I think that's it for me. This is 20-minute video, and we did absolutely nothing. and it just becomes weird. And look, this is what I was saying. So when you read the curriculum here, it says number 1, and we're only on this one. Display one number one at a time for as long as the button is pressed. And then it goes, can you rewrite this program without the keypad component macro? I mean, I could probably do that actually. That's probably doable. So we'll do that in the next video. That keypad component macro, it means nothing to me. To me, it just doesn't work. So sorry, I just realized you guys probably didn't see that. But yeah, can you rewrite this program without using keypad component macro? So I'm gonna do that in the next video, and hopefully that's an easy one. But yeah, apologies. This one's absolutely dog crap. Sorry, I can't get it working. It's just a pain in the backside. The documentation here is poor. So apologies. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.